Okay, so how would I solve this? 1 over 64 to the negative 1/3 power. Well, I'd start by breaking apart this negative 1/3 by breaking it apart as negative 1 and 1/3. So I'm going to have 1 over 64 to the power of negative 1, also to the power of 1/3. So anything to the power of negative 1, you just switch where it is. So in this case, the 64 is on the bottom, so you would just move the 64 to the top. So it would be 64 over 1, or that's just equal to 64. So now it would be 64 to the 1/3 power. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to follow the rule of A is m over n. And the way that we put this as a square root or a cube root, we go ahead and we would have A, m, and then n on the outside. So let's go ahead and identify what is the A, what is the m, and what is the n. The A would be the 64, the m would be equal to 1, and the n would be equal to 3. So let's go ahead and write this. So it would be A, 64, to the power of m, which is 1, and 3 is on the other side. So 64 to the power of 1 is just 64. And this would be read as the cube root of 64. Well, what does that mean? It means one number should be multiplied against itself, and that should end up equaling 64. Well, if you do 4 times 4 is 16, and then 16 times 4, you get 64. So the answer would be 4. So 1 over 64 to the negative 1/3 power is equal to 4.